Hello students, now here we are going to study about the permanent tissue, right? What are the permanent tissue? You have studied already about the meristematic tissue. Now we are going to discuss about the permanent tissue, right? So permanent tissue, what are the permanent tissue? We have to study here in this video, clear? So you can watch easily here like this. This is the anatomical structure, internal structure of permanent tissue. And now you can watch here permanent tissue are of two types, especially simple parenchyma and collenchyma. Simple parenchyma, permanent tissue also, and the complex tissue. Now these simple permanent tissue again divided in parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, right? And parenchyma, these cells have the intercellular spaces, right? And in reference to the function, they all photosynthesis for formation of the food, and also they store the food, right? Okay, that's why they are very important for the plant regarding to the food storage. And next issue is the collenchyma. Okay, now these collenchyma, what do they for plant? So they provide the tensile strength to the plant against the mechanical strength, against the mechanical stress, environmental conditions, to over the stress conditions to the plants, right? Okay, so collenchyma provide the mechanical strength, tensile strength. That's why plants enabled to stand over stressful conditions of the environment, right? Okay, this is also you can watch permanent tissue, clear? Next thing, and again complex tissue. This is the structure of the xylem, and these xylems again made up of four cells: xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber, tracheids and vessels. Okay, especially you have studied earlier कि these xylem help in transportation of the water along with the minerals. And you know always this is about the complex tissue. Okay, complex tissue, xylem and phloem. Complex tissue of two types. Now you can watch xylem and phloem. These are the complex tissue. So functionally xylem transport the water and minerals, while phloem conduct the food. Okay, now anatomically the complex tissue, that's by the definition complex tissue are made up of more cells than the one cell, but simple tissue are made up of only one cells like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. But complex tissue are made up of more cells, like xylem is made up of four types of cells like tracheids, vessels, and also xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Okay, you can watch here again xylem fiber. This is the part of the xylem, and also you can watch later the xylem fiber are the dead cells. Xylem vessels are dead, tracheids are the dead. And point to remember here, tracheids and xylem vessels take part in conduction of the water and minerals. Point to be remember here, point to be noted here कि जाइलम जो क्या करते हैं, जाइलम वाटर और मिनरल्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन जाइलम के अंदर भी ट्रैकिड्स और वेसल्स होते हैं जो कि स्पेशली वाटर को ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. नाउ दीज आर द जाइलम पैरेन्काइमा सेल्स. दीज आर हेल्पफुल इन food storage, in food formation. And remember, these are only living cells of the tissue, xylem parenchyma. Is that clear? These are the living cells only, clear? So this is all about the anatomical structure of the xylem. So why are they called complex? Because of having these four types of the cells. Because of having the four types of the cells, the xylem is the complex. Because xylem will have xylem parenchyma, these are only living cells, tracheids, vessels, and xylem fiber, these are the dead cells. Only xylem parenchyma are living cells, remember it, clear? And other thing regarding to these cells, that tracheids, okay, and xylem vessel take part especially in transportation of the water and minerals, and the vessels are absent in gymnosperm plant. Remember here, xylem vessels are absent in gymnosperm plant. Plants के भी टाइप होते हैं ना, आपने स्टडी किया था पहले ही. तो xylem vessels absent in gymnosperm but present only in angiosperm. Now this is about the phloem part. ठीक है, this is the anatomy of the phloem. Clear? You can watch easily. This is the anatomy of the phloem. Clear? So phloem looks like this given diagram, and this is also a complex tissue because the xylem made up of 4 types of the cells, just like the xylem, but the name are different. Like you can watch, phloem comprises sieve tube. This is one type of the cell, companion cell. Okay, you can watch sieve tube, sieve plate, and companion cell, right? And also phloem fibers. These all are the cells of the phloem. Clear? Sieve tube, sieve plate. Okay. Now remember here the distinction between sieve plate and sieve tube is that कि sieve tube specially term is being used in case of the angiosperm plant. sieve tube हम use करते हैं angiosperm plant के केस में. sieve plate हम term use करेंगे other than it means to say like gymnosperm, like other plant. अगर एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट हैं, जो फ्लावर वाले प्लांट हैं, उनके फ्लोएम में सीव ट्यूब्स टर्म हम देंगे, जबकि उन्हीं को सीव प्लेट कहेंगे इन केस ऑफ द अदर प्लांट, राइट. तो दीज आर द सेल्स ऑफ द फ्लोएम, लाइक सीव ट्यूब और सीव प्लेट, कंपेनियन सेल, फ्लोएम फाइबर, फ्लोएम पैरेन्काइमा. Clear? These are the cells. And remember that कि companion cells are present only the phloem of the angiosperm plant, but these are absent in other plant like gymnosperm. Okay, so remember it. The companion cells are present only in the phloem of the angiosperm, just like xylem vessels present only in the xylem of the angiosperm plant. ठीक है, क्योंकि कुछ सेल्स जाइलम और फ्लोएम में दूसरी कैटेगरी के प्लांट में अब्सेंट हो जाती हैं. जैसे जिम्नोस्पर्म एक अदर कैटेगरी के प्लांट हैं, एंजियोस्पर्म अदर कैटेगरी के प्लांट हैं जिनमें फ्लावर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट. तो दीज ऑल आर द अबाउट द कॉम्प्लेक्स टिश्यू. तो दीज ऑल टिश्यू आर कॉल्ड द कॉम्प्लेक्स बिकॉज ऑफ हैविंग दीज 4 टाइप्स ऑफ द सेल्स. क्लियर? तो एंड रिमेंबर द फ्लोएम, इट मीन्स टू से कि फ्लोएम फाइबर्स you will have to remember also, phloem fibers are the dead cells only of the phloem. Clear? So I think that you have understood very well about the anatomy of the complex tissue, right? Okay, thank you.